Here's where you can go to choose the color layout for items such as the quick access, the menus, and a few other options here. And you can choose the colors of your wallpaper. This is with Samsung One UI 7.0, and of course other Samsung One UI 6.0 phones can also do this. Let's get started. So let's just say you changed your wallpaper. And by the way, to change your wallpaper, the fastest way is long pressing a blank area on your home screen. Go to wallpapers down here, and you can change the wallpapers for either this or that. Now, let me just show you something here quickly. Usually, once you change your wallpaper, your colors for the toggles and the settings and menus, they all stay the same thing, that same blue color that it will always be when you get your Samsung phone. But if you want these colors to change to something else a bit more different, here's where you can go to do this. So once again, once you change your wallpaper, and let's say we're doing this again, you will see these options here, and you want to go to this option here, the color palette there. And once you're here now, make sure this is turned on. You have to turn this on so that you can make changes to it. Now, you can also choose to apply this to the icons itself, but before we do this here, you can now browse over and get a look at other colors available. And depending on your wallpaper, will also determine what colors are here. So for example, it's gonna show you here like the dialer, the calculator, and the quick access, all these colors are going to change. And you can see here, as I make changes to it, I'm gonna go to something that's gonna stand out more like this orange. Notice how it's all orange here. Even the toggle became orange. Once you press apply here now, and let's just say it all kicks in and it works now, and you'll see how this toggle is like this here. You'll also see from this color here, blue, to now orange. So if you've been looking to change these colors, finally, that's where you would go to change it. Like and sub.